This is the ground unit, and this is the air unit. First, connect the antenna to the ground unit. The power supply range is 12 volt or 36 volts. Next, insert the 4-pin extension cable into the slot and connect it with the adapter cable. The adapter cable is connected to the display screen, where yellow and white transmit audio and video signals, red is for power input, and black is for power output. Now for the air unit. The input voltage range is 10 volt to 36 volts. Similarly, connect the antenna first, then insert the extension cable into the slot. After that, connect the power to the battery and connect the signal cable to the camera. Once everything is connected, the footage will be transmitted in real time to the display, showing a clear and stable image from the camera.